In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte edition, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down and click on Manage All. Finally, you can select Most Recent at the top left corner of this section and tap on the best option for you, in my case Most Frequent. Now by tapping on blue switcher next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switcher. You can also go back, tap on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!